Windows do not clean themselves. People clean them, often using inefficient methods in unsafe situations. The Unger Stingray's breakthrough technology and design shows us a better way to clean windows more efficiently while keeping workers safe. Designed to clean up to nearly 6 meters, the Stingray's cleaning solution is activated from the handle, eliminating overspray so chemicals are not airborne. The unique, triangular design of the Stingray lightweight rotating cleaning pad cleans indoor windows up to 25% faster. Powered by Scotchgard protection, the Stingray's cleaning solution reduces the need to clean glass as often in high-traffic areas by preventing smudges and fingerprints, cleaning up to 148 square meters of windows before replenishment. With the Unger Stingray, your windows are cleaned faster and better, all while keeping your workers safe. Windows still need to be cleaned. That hasn't changed. The way we clean them has. Compact, all-in-one, award-winning design. 25% faster, 100% efficient. Unger. Quality tools for smart cleaning.